Jasmine plant is a very well-known summer's flowering plant. Their flowers come up in multi and also in single white petal varieties, that fills your garden with full of fragrance. For growing lots of buds and flowers on jasmine plant requires to be grown in such a way, that I am going to show you in this video, so let's start and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So the most important point to get maximum flowers on Arabian jasmine plant is fertilization. Growing lots of flowers on jasmine all around the year requires a constant supply of a powerful fertilizer. Your jasmine plant fertilizer must contain a combination of helpful micro and macronutrients. Arabian jasmine is a heavy feeder that requires lots of nutrients to grow well. Deficiency of nutrition causes many visible changes in the growth of jasmine plant, like browning of leaves, a stunted growth and no flowers. You can fulfill this deficiency by fertilizing Arabian jasmine plant regularly. You can use a homemade fertilizer for jasmine plant from the description box. This jasmine plant fertilizer works really great, so must check it out. Apply this fertilizer on your jasmine plants every 20 days at the evening. 1 to 2 doses of this fertilizer will definitely gives you amazing results. Without a good fertilizer, expecting lots of flowers on jasmine plant is very unrealistic. Because the flower production as well as the growth of plant basically depends upon the nutrients, so it is very important to provide a good fertilizer to your jasmine plant time to time. The another point to get maximum flowers on Arabian jasmine plant is regular pruning of shoots. If you keeps on pruning the jasmine plant, it definitely grow more. Here's a question arises: how and when to prune a jasmine plant? So it is easy. Cut off the upper growing shoots of jasmine a little, time to time in the whole growing season. Removal of dead and dried jasmine flowers, branches and leaves is also important. Mostly the flower buds appears on a new shoot, so to promote more and more buds on jasmine plant, pruning helps very much. Pruning and trimming of younger shoots of plant helps very much to keep the Arabian jasmine plant healthy and fast growing. The another point to get maximum flowers on Arabian jasmine plant is your soil medium. This thing doesn't matter most of the time, because jasmine plant is not a soil sensitive plant, and can grow in any soil mix. But if you are growing jasmine plant in containers, soil drainage is very important. A water blocking soil mix causes a stress condition on the plant, that ultimately stops its flowering. A good well draining soil mix helps the roots to spread fast and hence more buds and flowers will appear on the plant. You can use a good potting mix from the description box. It works really great to grow Arabian jasmine plant fast. The another point to get maximum flowers on Arabian jasmine plant is your pot size. The more the roots grow, more flowers grow as well. In a limited space the roots of jasmine plant grow, but very slowly. You can use a bigger pot, or simply try to repot the jasmine plant every year, for a constant and healthy growth of roots. Provide jasmine plant at least a 10 to 12 inches pot. Otherwise keeps the roots on pruning. The another point to grow more flowers on jasmine plant is to put it in a good location. Deficiency of sunlight causes many harmful problems in jasmine plant, so the best way to avoid drying leaves on jasmine is to put it in a good location. And the best location for Arabian jasmine plant is in a sunny area. An area with a good amount of direct sunlight works really great to grow lots of flowers on jasmine plant. If you put it in a shade, the plant grow but very slowly. So these are the some points that you can follow to get more flowers on jasmine plant. For any question, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For making the best fertilizer for jasmine plant, you can check out this video.